If you've been outside lately, you can tell winter has surely arrived and it's very cold. Unfortunately, every child here in the area doesn't have a winter jacket to throw on to head outside, but you can help. Mark Moll with Care for Kids and Aleshia Furr with the Boys and Girls Clubs of Toledo here to explain. Mark, let's start with you. Your organization is kind of spearheading this whole thing to raise donations. At this point, you're just glad to have coats or cash donations. What do you do with both?
Absolutely. With coats, what we are doing is we're collecting them, and this is benefiting both the Boys and Girls Clubs of Toledo and Susie's Coats. And with donations, what we'll do is we'll buy the coats. So, you know, we have connections to get coats, so we'll do that. We just want to give coats to as many kids as we possibly can.
Aleshia, you know, you're boots on the ground with Boys and Girls Clubs. What kind of a need is there for this? Is it that bad?
It is that bad. I was just talking with Mark earlier today while we were waiting. I just saw a young man waiting outside to come into the club today, and he had on short sleeves. So we really need coats bad for our children out here. That's
awful. What got you involved with this in the first place to be a part of this program, Cares for Kids?
So this started years ago. We were at a trunk or treat, and you know, we're giving out candy, but we're giving out candy on this cold, rainy day to kids that really should have coats. So what we did is, like, you know what, instead of giving candy, let's give coats, you know, and provide for these kids that need, you know, we're in Ohio, and it's not friendly weather for the winter, and you know, to be able to give that back to them to be safe is just great.
You've been with a number of organizations like Boys and Girls Clubs. You see how bad it really is. Have things gotten worse in the last few years, or is this something that we're never going to really lick, that we always need donations to help kids?
I would say we just always really need donations. I can't say that it's gotten worse or better, honestly, but we're always in need, definitely, for sure.
And of course, hunger is a problem too, and I know you guys do a great job in trying to feed kids as well. What programs have you worked with in the past with Boys and Girls Clubs?
We've worked with connecting kids to meals, but we've also had private donors that donate, just like over the Thanksgiving holiday, we had a few families donate 9 meals to a family at each of our 9 locations around Toledo. So things like that always help our families that are in need.
Mark, talk about so this window is September 21st to December 5th. September 21st to December 5th. What's been going on with all this in the build up to this week to get the coats?
Yeah, so what we've done, we're really big in promoting it on social. We had a kickoff event in September that we brought 23 nonprofits together as just kind of a meet and greet, and tried to kick off and just drum up as much as possible. Through that, we've also developed so many different collection sites throughout Toledo. We got spots out to Archbold and Wauseon to collect for this area. We're finishing up, as you said, this week, so we're hoping for that last push to get some even more.
Aleshia, with the Boys and Girls Clubs, we're wanting new coats for your organization, gender neutral, and sizes, children's 7 and 8 through adult large. There's a whole lot of kids out there. So does your club service different ages of the kids, and is that probably something that is necessary?
Yes, so we have, like I said, 9 locations around Toledo, Ohio. 3 of our locations serve teens, 13 to 18 years old, so we need a wide variety of different clothes.
And Mark, there's a barcode there too, so if you get the barcode there, you could read that, and that gives information on what to do with the coats or how to get them to the right points?
Yeah, it'll show all of our drop-off locations throughout the area, and more information in total on the whole drive itself.
Mark and Aleshia, thank you so much for being here. This is so important. I'm with you guys. We should not ever see kids freezing cold out there. After all, we do live in Ohio, and it is very, very cold.